Hello guys, today we will solve a very tricky question. It's x over x plus 1. Someone will, someone will tell me to solve it by substitution, by telling y equal x plus 1. So x equal y minus 1 and dx equal dy. I will tell you, let's continue as you say. So here y minus 1 over y. So by make this 1 minus 1 over y. So the answer is y minus ln absoluting ly plus c. So by substitution it will be x plus 1 minus ln absolute x plus 1 plus c. So this is a wrong answer. The correct answer is by here x plus 1 by making by adding and subtracting 1 in the numerator plus 1 minus 1 over x plus 1. Okay, by making this 1 minus 1 over x plus 1 dx. So the answer will be x minus the derivative of the denominator and the numerator, so ln absolute x plus 1 dx. It's not equal the answer upper, but this is the correct answer, this is the wrong answer. Like and subscribe if you like this content, and bye.